Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, and we are going to do calendar together. Let's go ahead and check in on the mood meter and see how we're feeling. I am going to check in kind of on the blue. I'm tired. Miss Thompson did not sleep well. It was storming, and I kept me awake because I was worried about the chickens. It was their first time outside in the storm. um like that by themselves. So I was worried. So I was kind of in the red. See, that says worried. So I was in the red. But then I finally calmed down and moved myself into the tired and fell asleep finally. But now I'm tired because I didn't sleep a whole lot. So I need to figure out how to move myself from the blue tired into at least a little bit in the green. But see how you're feeling. I'm actually going to a training session today. Well, I'm not going anywhere. It's going to be on Zoom because teachers have to learn stuff too. And I'm going to learn about something new that I might be able to put in our videos where you can actually answer questions in the video. Like right now, it might pop up and say, "How are you feeling?" And you could click one and pick. I'm going to go to that and see how it works today. It might not work, but I'm going to try. All right, now that we're all checked in, let's go ahead and talk about the date. So yesterday was Star Wars Day, and I got to see some cool pictures of some of my friends in my class. Let me see if I can pull those up real quick. I might not be able to get to them, but I might. Let's see. Here they are, right here. So there is Jace. His shirt says join the shark side instead of join the dark side. It has sharks on it with lightsabers. He got it from Sea Life in Concord. That's a pretty fun place. Very cool, Jace. And then we have Chapel. He's got a lightsaber. He's got Kylo Ren's red lightsaber. That's pretty cool. He was showing me some of his lightsaber moves. And then we have Mabel as well. Mabel's sitting right here actually with me still. She's still wearing her Star Wars Jedi outfit and has her lightsaber, so I'll let her keep playing with that. That's fine. That's what Mabel wants to do. All right. Let's go back. All right. Now, Star Wars Day is over. So yesterday was Monday. Today is Tuesday. Let's go ahead and count to today and figure out the date. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Today is the 5th. So a 5, you need to write a 5, looks like this. Okay. And we need to find the 5. Where is it? Here it is. I put it right here. And now we can say the date together. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 2020. Awesome. So let's have a great Tuesday, okay? All right, let's talk about the weather. Something I was going to talk to you about the weather too is that your weather might be different than my weather for a couple reasons. First of all, I do my weather early in the morning so I can get this video posted for you in time. So my weather in the morning might be different than if you watch this video later, your weather might have changed. Or even if it's at the same time, your weather on the other side of Rock Hill could be different. I live on the complete other side of Rock Hill. Your weather could be different over there than it is here for me. It's okay if your graph doesn't look like mine. Your graph does not have to match mine. If you look out the window and it's pouring down rain at your house, but it wasn't raining at my house, you should color in rainy. If it's super, super windy at your house, do windy. If it is partly cloudy, but here it's sunny, you can do your own weather and it might not match mine, but that's okay because we are being scientists and you need to actually record what you observe, remember? So if you look out the window and it's different than mine, write that. It won't match and that's okay. Okay, so I want you to think about that while we're doing the weather for May. So right now at my house, it looks like it is Partly sunny. It looks like there's sun and clouds out there. So I'm going to do a partly cloudy day. Now remember, if yours is different, do it different. I'm going to use red. If yours is the same, then you can keep it the same. All right, and I'm going to put what? 0 plus 1 is 1. Good. We have 1 partly cloudy, 2 sunnies, and how many of these other ones? Yeah, 0. And we can check the weather. Let's see if it's going to rain anymore, if the rain's all past us, because it was raining a lot last night. So right now it is look, it says it's partly sunny. It's 62. It does say that there might be an afternoon thunderstorm. Let's see. Turns out also my chickens were fine. I was worried for nothing. They were fine. They were drying. They were safe in their coop. I shouldn't have worried. I should have gone to sleep. So let's see the rain that passed us on the map. So what state do we live in? Does anybody remember on the map? We live in South Carolina. That's our state. We all live here. The city we live in is Rock Hill. It's right here where my hand is, right under Charlotte. That's Rock Hill, right there. See the hand? So the rain that we see over here, that's probably the storm that came through last night. You see how it's moving this way? It's passed us by, going out into the ocean now. That's the storm that we had last night. Now, the rain they're talking about later tonight, that could be coming from over here. Maybe these storms right here. We'll have to see. But that seems like a long way for this to travel in a day. But maybe it will. I don't know. So we'll see what storms they're talking about tonight. Or maybe it won't rain. So that is our map right now. Let's go back to calendar. Okay, so we've talked about the weather and the map. So we need to figure out how many days are left in kindergarten. We are going to take one away, which is what? Subtraction. Take it away. How many days are left in kindergarten? Yeah, 20. Look, 10, 20. So because we have 2 10s, we write a 2 first for how many 10s we have. How many 1s do we have over here in this 10 frame? We have 0, right? That's why when you write the number 20, it's a 2 and a 0. Because there's 2 10s and 0 1s, and that makes 20. Very good. All right, so we're actually not going to do a snap word today. We're going to talk about digraphs. We are going to talk about digraphs. I'm going to tell you some digraphs, and you are going to write the digraph. We're just going to practice our digraphs. If you are like, I don't know what a digraph is, that's okay. I'm going to help you. So we will practice digraphs. All right, ready? There's only a few of them, so it won't take us too long. Can you please write the digraph for sh, like she? What digraph is in the beginning of she? All right, let's see. Yep, it is S-H. Shh. All right, what digraph is at the beginning of thumb? Thumb. What digraph is that? It says th. Yep, it's a T and an H. Good. What digraph is at the beginning of cheese? Which one says ch? Cheese. Go ahead and write it. Yes, it's C-H, says ch. Now this one's a little trickier, but I'm going to see if you can get it. Which one is at the beginning of whale? Whale. Yep, it's W-H. W-H is the digraph. Now the difference between a digraph and a blend. People have asked me. Now, a blend, when you have like ST or SL or SM, like smile or slide or stuck, a blend like stuh, you can hear both sounds. You can hear the S and the T, stuh. And whenever you do something like smile, you can hear the in sma, you can hear the s, the In a digraph like these, it makes a whole new sound. When you say shh, you don't hear the S and the H. You don't hear s, you hear shh. It's a new sound. That's why it's called a digraph. It's totally different. When you do ch, it's a totally new sound. It puts them together and makes a whole new sound. So that's why these four are different than blends. Does that make sense? We'll keep going over it. And you're going to have a new activity in your new packet with our blends, I think, and our digraphs. Okay. But you guys did a good job. And I want you to keep practicing this. It's going to help you be a better reader and a better writer. All right. Let's do a math problem. And then your calendar will be done for the day. All right. We're going to do another, we'll do subtraction. So let's do Miss Thompson had 13 pancakes. That's a lot of pancakes. 13 pancakes. I want you to draw 13 pancakes. I'll do it too. All right. Miss Thompson had 13 pancakes. Oh, I'm not done. I only drew 10. Let's see if that's 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, I'll give you a few more seconds to do your 13 pancakes, okay? All right. Now, Mabel right here. Mabel ate 5 of my pancakes. She ate 5 of them. Mabel was hungry. She ate 5. What do we do? Yeah, we put the X's on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many pancakes does Miss Thompson have left? How many do I have left? Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 left. So let's write our equation. So we had 13. So write 13, a 1 and a 3. And then we took away. What's the symbol for taking away? Yep, looks like that. 13 minus 5. We took away 5 because Mabel ate them. Equals what? 8. Good job, everyone. You did awesome. You guys did a very, very good job. Hope everybody has a great Tuesday. Bye.